Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn about do loops, and do loops are used commonly, and for do loop we will create a statement of do, and then we will make curly braces, and after the curly braces we will add while, and then we will make these short braces. So in do something, we are saying this program to do something while some conditions is there. So for example, we create public integer and we say orange, and then here in do loop we can increase the orange plus plus, and then in while loop we will say orange is less than 10. So now this is an example of do loop. So let's see it in Unity editor. So we will run the game and you will see that oranges will go on till 10 and then it stops. Okay, so this is video is a short video about do loops, and in next video we will learn about while loops.